In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start your journey as an instructor on Udemy using Google. By following these steps, you'll unlock the potential to share your knowledge and expertise with a global audience. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. It's a familiar starting point for most online activities and serves as a gateway to the vast array of resources and platforms available on the internet. Once you're at the Google homepage, turn your attention to the address bar, type in Udemy, and press enter, or simply click on the link to Udemy if it's already visible as a top result. This will take you to the official Udemy site, a popular online learning and teaching marketplace. On the Udemy homepage, look towards the top of the page and you'll see an option labeled Teach on Udemy. This is your gateway to becoming part of the Udemy Instructor community. Clicking on this will bring you to a page that outlines the benefits and opportunities of teaching on the platform. Here, you'll want to look for a button that says Get Started. Clicking on it is a crucial step in setting up your teaching profile, so go ahead and give it a click. Once you've hit Get Started, you'll be directed to a sign-up page. This is where you'll begin creating your instructor profile. If you're not already signed into Udemy, you'll need to do so now. If you don't have an account, there should be an option to sign up. The sign-up process is straightforward. Just provide the necessary details like your email addresses and create a password. After you've logged in or signed up, follow the prompts and click on Continue. Next, Udemy will guide you through a series of questions designed to tailor the setup to your specific teaching needs. When asked about your teaching experience, choose the option that best matches your background. Remember, this helps Udemy understand where you're coming from and how they can assist you in crafting the best courses possible. Once you've made your selection, you'll be prompted to click Continue again. The next question will focus on your experience with video production. Considering that video is a major component of online teaching, Udemy wants to know how comfortable you are with creating video content. Be honest about your level of expertise, as this will determine the kind of resources and support they can offer you. Select your response and keep moving forward by clicking Continue. Finally, Udemy will ask about your existing audience. Do you have a group of people or followers you can share your course with? Whether you have a substantial following or are just starting out, select the option that reflects your current status. Click on Continue to proceed. By completing these steps, you've set the foundation for becoming a Udemy instructor. Now, you're ready to start crafting your course and sharing your knowledge with learners around the world. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your teaching journey.